Hello and welcome back. If you're just joining us, my name is Hoon. My channel is about making coffee using Barista Express. But this week, not this week, but last couple of videos, I've been using Mazzer Mini grinder. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my thoughts about Mazzer Mini grinder and home use. Before I'm going to talk about it, let's make some coffee before. I think I felt like latte this morning again. You see right here, always clog. Not the clog, but it never come out because the way it's designed. It's not the best design, but can't complain. I got this one for free. All right. So unfortunately, Mazzer Grinder, doser version of it, I mean, I cannot get the exact amounts every time, so I have to do this. But it does grounds beans very well. I mean, very smooth and yeah. Okay. So as you know, as usual, I'm going to prepare the beans first for the basket first. Before I'm going to I'm going to steam the milk. By the way, so this is the best investment I ever did, just under $20. Okay, after that, just press. So this is ready to go. But meantime, I'm going to prepare this milk. Milk is ready. Now I'm going to put the shot here. Shot looks really good. Okay, some latte art. Not bad. So let's try the coffee. Really good. You know, I have to say the Mazzer Grinder makes really good ground beans. I think the quality is there, but for regular home use, I mean, as you've seen on the video, especially dosal model. I mean, you're never going to get the consistent dosing every time because way it's designed. So only way to ensure you're going to get the right amounts every time, you have to measure every single time. So I mean, is that worth the money? You know what? If you have spare $600-700 for used ones, maybe. But if you have space issues in your kitchen like I have, I don't know. I mean, I don't know about. I'm just go out there buying one. And luckily, you know, I was lucky enough to get that one for free because of the circumstances. But I don't think I'm gonna buy a separate grinder when I'm using Bravo Barista Express. Maybe someday if I'm gonna get a better machine, separate like dual boiler machine with grinder, maybe. Anyway, I hope you guys, I hope this video helps. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, and I'm planning on making more videos related to these topics. Anyway, see you guys next time.